Hey, 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 beautiful people. Let's check out the rice test. So after 30 days, it's been about 35 days of speaking nasty and horrible words into this jar. Your body is 70% water. The rice was cooked, therefore it was moist. Look at that. And that's what you do to someone when you lie, curse, and talk ugly to people, especially your children. Look at that. That's nasty. Disgusting. This is the jar that I spoke good things. You're a blessing. You're loved. You're blessed and highly favored. You're chosen of the Lord. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. And there is a golden hue in the bottom. So they both did mildew because they didn't have moisture. But the difference in color resides in the spoken word. That's why Jesus said, speak life. There's a silvery golden hue. You can almost see it better with sunlight. In the bottom, it almost twinkles. It's a pearly gold in the rice that had good words spoken to it. And if I had probably strained the rice more, it wouldn't have mildewed as much. But that's what ugly words do to your body. Your body being 70% water does hold memory. Water holds memory. And the words that you speak to each other, the words you say to yourself in your head, and the words you speak to your children and other people, it's either that nasty, that's what happens to it. Real life example, words have power. Make sure you speak life, not death. In your relationships, in your love life, to your children, to your friends, family, when you say things that are hurtful, that's what you are doing to them. And I believe that's what God means when he says, do not curse. You do not speak lies or evil or disgusting words to people because it affects their body. It's not just a feeling thing. It's an actual physics thing. And that one has the golden hue, the good words. All right. Just wanted to update y'all. I did this to show my children the difference of what happens when you speak good to people or evil. And I'm not talking about telling the truth of someone that needs to correct something. I'm talking about using words that make fun of, like you're ugly or you're disgusting or I don't like you, or lying and saying, you're no good, you're this, that, and the other. Those hurtful words. That's that. Sometimes you have to correct people, call them out on their shit. That's not the same thing. Compliments, choosing to show someone kindness through your words. There you go. It has a pearly golden hue in it. That's what happens to your kids, your relationships, and that's what happens to our bodies. Y'all have a blessed day.